Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. MoneyKey is a website that offers short-term loans. These loans are designed to help people cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills. MoneyKey loans are typically for small amounts of money, and they have to be repaid quickly, often within a few weeks or months. The application process is generally straightforward, and borrowers can often receive funds quickly, sometimes as soon as the next business day. However, it's important to be aware that these types of loans can come with high interest rates. Therefore, it's essential to carefully consider the terms and conditions and ensure you can repay the loan before applying. MoneyKey operates under different regulations depending on the state, so the specific loan products and terms may vary based on your location. Always review the details specific to your state on their website. Remember, short-term loans should be used responsibly and as a last resort due to the potential for high costs. Exploring other options like borrowing from family or friends, negotiating payment plans with creditors, or seeking assistance from local charities may be more financially beneficial in the long run. It's crucial to compare rates and terms from multiple lenders before making a decision and to fully understand the implications of taking on a short-term loan. Be sure to budget carefully and ensure you have a plan for repayment to avoid falling into a cycle of debt. For those facing financial hardship, seeking guidance from a financial advisor can be a valuable step in managing finances and exploring alternative solutions. Ultimately, responsible borrowing and careful financial planning are key to avoiding financial difficulties. Before making any borrowing decisions, ensure you've researched all available options and chosen the solution that best fits your individual circumstances and financial capabilities. MoneyKey provides a financial service, but it's important to utilize it wisely and within your means. Make sure you are fully informed about the costs and implications before proceeding with any loan application.